This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Optifine and Replay Mod are installed. This gives you shader access and high frame rate exports. Once done, launch Minecraft with the Optifine profile and load the world you want to record. Make a short camera path in Replay Mod. Set keyframes, easing, and duration. Aim for 6 to 12 seconds per shot. Make sure to pick a high render FPS, like 120 or 240, to capture enough frames for smooth motion blur. Next, prepare to render frames at high FPS so temporal blur will be smooth. You render at 120 or 240 FPS with Replay Mod, exporting an image sequence rather than video. That preserves per frame data. Once the sequence is ready, import frames into your compositor or video editor. Make sure shaders are enabled for visual quality, yet keep in-game motion blur off to avoid double blurring. This gives you clean temporal samples for the blur pass. Save renders in a lock. Finally, load the image sequence into your editor and apply a temporal motion blur effect. Use a vector-based plugin if available for motion accuracy. You set shutter angle or sample count. Higher samples reduce ghosting, but cost render time. Once satisfied, export at your target FPS, typically 24 or 60, and check playback. Troubleshooting tip: if you see streaking or ghost frames, increase temporal samples, enable motion vectors if available, or re-render at a higher source FPS to eliminate interpolation artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.